guys, I was just horrified by this product. Horrified by the results of this product. I was so embarrassed by this product. So I decided, I had been using this product. Okay, let's go down the list. So I had been using the product and I noticed that it did not hold. Like, it did not hold my edges. It may hold, respectfully, maybe an hour. Maybe. And an hour's pushing it, maybe 30 minutes tops. So I knew it really didn't hold. However, I had an event that I needed to go to, and I just wanted that look, that sleek down look that edge control gives your baby hairs. And I applied this product, and maybe within an hour, I go to the ladies' room to check myself out, and it was just cakes of white stuff in my hair, and my edges were no longer laying down. I was so embarrassed by that. What I'm going to do is, because I want to put it on my edges here, my baby hair here. Okay, so I went in and I cleaned my old gel off my edges. So what I'm going to do is take my baby hair brush and I'm going to wet it just a bit. And I'm hoping that maybe that'll make a difference. So I'm just wetting my baby hair. I'm hoping that this will help with the lay down of the product. I'm going to go in with some Mielle Organics. And I have about that much. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place it on my baby hair. Okay. I want to go back in with my baby hair brush. I can never get used to these things. I need an old school toothbrush. That's what works for me. Then I'm going to go in with the comb part. See that? See how that did? That hot mess. I cannot work with this at all. I could have did this. I don't like this. To use, and it works better for me. Okay. Now, you guys can see everything is laying down decent now. Yeah, I'm just so disappointed. We're going to see how long it's going to last. Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bliss. How you guys doing today? So today's video is going to be about none other than the Mielle Edge Gel. And I don't know if you guys, there it is. Hey guys, so I'm so excited about discussing today's video. I'm going to give you guys the cold hard truth about this particular product. But before I jump into it, you guys saw in the beginning that I went in and I applied some of the product. We're going to see how long it stays laying down. Okay, so today is not my first time, but in general, this is my first time trying Mielle's hair products. I had never tried it before. However, I knew I had an event that I wanted to, I knew I had an event that I needed to go to. And so I wanted like that smooth look that Edge Gel gives your baby hairs. That's what I wanted for this particular event that I needed to be a part of. And so I went online. I actually went onto Amazon and I purchased this product. The price point was beautiful. I believe I only paid about $5 and some change for this product. However, you get what you pay for, because this is only a 2 ounce, but a little bit goes a long way. You don't have to be so heavy handed with Edge Gel control. So that was no problem. So it would have given me the opportunity, A, to try out Mielle products, B, it is infused with biotin, and so that means that it's probably going to help contribute to some hair growth in the edge area. So I wanted that. And y'all, by the way, it smells divine because it also has mints in it. So it's rosemary and mint, and the smell is just so subtle and sweet. I love the smell of this product. So I thought it was just a win-win-win all the way around. Sadly, was I mistaken. Now, before I continue forward, let's just zoom back in on these edges. Okay, and it's probably been about 2 or 3 minutes, and it is so far still holding. Okay, you guys, so I have to be honest with you. I was so horrified. I was so terrified by the end result of this product. So I had a little event about 2 weeks ago that I needed to speak at. And I had my edge control and I applied it with no water. I just applied it. Just like you would normally. And let me be honest with you, this product left so much white caked up stuff in my baby hairs, it wasn't even real. In fact, maybe after about an hour, my baby hairs were no longer laying down, and I did not realize I had all this cakiness up in my hair from this gel until I thought I had the whole speech and all of that in front of all of these people. And I kept wondering why they were looking at me weird, and now I know. Because my baby hairs weren't laying down, and it was white stuff in my baby hairs. Hot mess. I was so embarrassed. So embarrassed, you guys. So with that being said, I wish I would have listened to the reviews on Amazon. So I did get this off Amazon, and I did notice that a vast majority of the reviews of this particular product, customers were saying that it was a dupe, that it wasn't real. And so I don't know, because I never used Mielle's products. I never purchased them in a store, in a walk-in store. So hey, I didn't know. I figured I would take a chance. I'm like, they gotta be tripping on there, but they weren't. They were telling the truth on those reviews. It's a strong possibility that this may be a dupe, but I am too scared to go and purchase this in a store and try it again to compare and contrast. No. Let's zoom back in on the edges, y'all. So it seems like it does well with water maybe, but I can tell, I can see my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I can see my hair starting to curl up. Look at that. My hair does better with Eco Style Gel to lay down baby hairs versus the edge control. This is crazy here. Let me say this too. Another thing that I don't like about this particular edge control, and it's probably just not this one specifically, I think it's been with every edge control that I've ever used, it has a greasy residue as well. And so I can feel grease from the product, or I feel something greasy along my perimeter of my baby hair where I laid the product down. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. So that's a downfall as well. Let's go back to the baby hairs one more time. Look, you guys, it's starting to look, it's starting to rise. It's not even laying down as flat anymore. This product doesn't do well with moisture, whether it's water or sweat. This product doesn't do well combined with other products. It's a no. I won't buy this again. I'm too afraid to go to a store and buy this particular hair gel from this line. I won't do it now. I will try their shampoo and conditioner. But this Edge Gel Control is a no-go. I would not get it again. I don't care how cheap it is. Some things it just pays to pay real money for it. Because this was a no. Now, I've had some horror experience using Edge Gel Control before. But this will taste the cake. Because I have been able to make others work. But I just can't seem to make this one work for me. And let's go back one more time. You see that? How it's rising? It's rising, y'all. It's just rising up some. It's a no. It's a no. I won't get it again. Anyway, you guys, that is my super short, quick review rant of this product. Don't get it. Don't get it. It's nothing special about it. I usually show y'all, as y'all can see, I've been using it. It's no lie. I have truly been using this product, but it just, I'm gonna use this best I can, but it's a no. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't recommend it. Don't get it. Don't get it. Now, what I would like to see Mielle do is come up with their own brand of gel. Not no Edge Control, regular gel. Come up with your own regular gel. Just your normal gel. And I might get that a go. And if you guys can come up with your own gel, please sponsor me, because I would love to try y'all's gel if you can come up with a regular gel. But y'all, as far as this Edge Control, man, they can keep that. That concludes today's video. I'll see you till the next one. Smooches.